Imagine a weapon so precise it could target only people with a specific genetic trait. People with green eyes, for instance. This might sound like the stuff of science fiction, but with today's genetic engineering technology, the concept isn't as far-fetched as you might think. CRISPR, a powerful gene editing tool, has made it possible to modify the genetic code of organisms with high precision. In theory, a bioweapon could be developed using CRISPR to recognize and interact with specific DNA sequences unique to people with certain genetic traits. An engineered pathogen, such as a virus, could be modified to carry a CRISPR system programmed to detect the 12,913,832 rupees SNP variant linked to green eyes. Once inside a host's body, the virus would scan for that specific genetic code, and if it finds a match, it could trigger a lethal response, selectively targeting only those individuals. Part 3. The accessibility and threat of bioweapon technology. Now, you might think that this is beyond the reach of most people, but here's the alarming part. The tools and knowledge required for genetic manipulation are becoming increasingly accessible. Genetic testing kits are available commercially for as low as $100, allowing anyone to obtain and analyze DNA data at home. Portable PCR machines and DNA sequencers, once restricted to advanced labs, are now small enough to fit in a backpack. This equipment, combined with online tutorials and open-source software, means that a determined individual or group could theoretically develop targeted genetic modifications outside of a controlled laboratory environment. Part 4. Ethical and security implications. The possibility of genetic bioweapons raises serious ethical and security concerns. Such weapons could be used not only to target individuals based on visible traits like eye color, but also to discriminate against populations with specific genetic markers, leading to biological warfare on a scale we've never seen before. The biggest concern is not just the technology itself, but the ease of access. With more information available online, a motivated individual could misuse CRISPR technology and genetic databases to develop something harmful. That's why regulation and oversight are critical, but the challenge is staying ahead of those with malicious intent. Part 5. What can be done? Governments and international organizations need to establish stricter regulations and monitoring systems to prevent the misuse of genetic engineering tools. Companies providing genetic testing and sequencing devices must also implement safeguards, ensuring that these technologies are used for legitimate and ethical purposes only. As genetic technology continues to advance, it's crucial that we remain aware of both its potential and its risks. Understanding how these tools could be misused is the first step in ensuring they are used responsibly, for the benefit of humanity rather than its harm. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay updated on the latest in biotechnology and biosecurity.